Whole week? You mind me in a whole week? What do you mean? I didn't understand. Oh, daddy. Yati. What? Just your flower. Yeah. Only flower, not love. Not love. Hmm. How about your ano? How about your fiancé? Gana. Bang. Oh. Don't do that to my fiancé. Oh. What can I do? You going make it blooming. Yeah. After the flood control, the blooming is very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Ay, the, uy, ay, so ano. Talaga sa buhay to. Hmm. Yeah. That's why my ex is not forgettable. Not forgettable. Ay, animal roller, di ko na maintindihan. Grabe yung tao. My ex is not forgettable. Forgettable. Because my flower is not the same in other. Huh? Oh, tama ba? Tama ba yun? Ruler, tulungan mo naman ako. Nada, my girlfriend is very nice. She's a good girl. How about this flower? I think that, I think the, tama yung translating. Ah, okay, sige, sige. Bakit may pa yan? Takot ako tuloy sa ano yun eh. Small flower. Oh. What color? Lul. Daddy, what color? I want to, ano. What color? What color is flower? Talaga sa buhay to. Still fresh. Oh, that's great. What color? Not fresh. What color? I want to know what color. Yeah, very good. Like me. But medium size. Daddy, medium size. Then lot of ang tawag yung tusok-tusok. Lot of cactus. Tusok-tusok, tama ba yun? Malam mo kayo, wala man namin yung ana. Sure. Like salmon. Me, like a flowers. You know the rose? Like that. Salmon? Yeah. Pink is nice, daddy. Don't choose the liver. Don't choose the liver. Daddy, don't choose the liver. Yeah. I don't know because I'm older, so medium size. Medium size. Tama ba? Ewan ko. Mouthful? Like my mouthful? Better difference. Yeah. But same color. Your mouth is big.